Here is a wonderful 2015 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Wrangler delivers iconic style, future-focused technology, all-terrain capability, rugged power, and the ability to make your adventures truly your own. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: satellite radio, premium sound system, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, leather steering wheel, locking limited slip differential. There's nothing like that feeling of wind in your hair freedom. Get into the Wrangler today.